Yeah, we're back tonight with a box of Marvel Knights. And yeah, this is like pretty much one of the worst sets in the Versus system for um, of earlier Marvel releases to say. And I was just scrolling on eBay and I saw this box. I was like, yeah, I'm about to pick this up because there was some other crap boxes that are kind of worse. Yeah, there's nothing really special about this box. Picked it up really cheap price, cheaper than cheap. So cheap you wouldn't even believe it. But yeah, I'm about to pop the seal and see what happens. Don't even like Daredevil, so yeah, late night special. Let's see what happens. Oh no, the seal is broken. Cards aren't worth anything. Now it's worthless. What the hell? Who the fuck thought this was a good idea? You see how stupid this is? Let me put it right there. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Let's see. No box fail. Cool. What is this, instruction manual? Okay, I assume this shows what the great cards to use in the TCG, which I don't play. Oh yes, I have a beautiful box. I'm just gonna sell this box. I'm like, fuck it, it's over it. Stay tuned.